Welcome back to another FlexPBX Smart PBX training guide. In this video, we're going to look at voicemail boxes. By default, voicemail boxes are set up for each user when the user is created. You can see the settings by clicking the little spanner icon on the right column. Let's take a look at some of these options. Select the spanner. You'll be presented with all of the default options: the name, the voicemail number, and the PIN. If you select the advanced menu, you can see other options. This will show you the time zone. If it's set to account user default, it will take the default tenancy time zone. If this user is in a different time zone, you can change it. Already set up will be selected if the user has completed their voicemail setup. Require PIN enforces the PIN number to be entered each time that the mailbox is accessed. By default, if the mailbox is accessed from the user's phone, it will not require a PIN. Auto login allows the automatic login if the user accesses their voicemail from their phone. Skip greeting will skip the voicemail greeting and go straight to the recording. Skip instructions will skip the instructions which follow the greeting. Delete after notification is only useful if you want to email all the voicemail messages and not retain them in the voicemail box. Configurable via menu allows the user to configure their voicemail box. Recipients. Recipients allow you to add email addresses to the mailbox. This allows voicemails to be sent to the user as an email. The voicemails will appear as an attachment on the email. The user can then tap them and listen to them on any device, including PC, Mac, iPhone, or Android. Greeting media can be recorded from a telephone handset or by uploading an MP3 or WAV file in the correct format. Once you have configured this, press Save Changes. You can also add voicemail boxes for generic mailboxes, such as a sales mailbox, an accounts mailbox, or an after-hours mailbox. Let's go and add a new generic mailbox. Click Add Mailbox. Give it a name. Set a voicemail number. This will need to be unique. And let's go and add a new PIN number. The PIN number will only be used if you need to access the voicemail box from a handset. Let's go and select some of the advanced options. We're going to select Already Set Up. We're going to skip the instructions after the message has been played. We're also going to delete after notification because this mailbox will email to a group. Let's go and add the email account now. Select Advanced and Recipients. Let's go and add the new recipient. Type in the email address, then press Add. You can add multiple email recipients, or you can add a distribution list email group in this box. You can either record the greeting media from a handset, or you can upload it using a WAV or MP3 file. In this instance, I've selected one that I've uploaded earlier. If you need to upload a new one, you can press the Upload button. Press Browse, and find your file. Then press the green Upload button. You'll now see your media in the list. Once you've completed this, press Create New Voicemail Box. If at any time you need to modify it, remember you can press the spanner in the right-hand column. Thanks for watching this video on FlexPBX voicemail boxes. If you have any questions, please contact our support team.